The moment I reached reception, my period began. In the middle of forests, it could have been a struggle, but the women staff arranged sanitary napkins with such care that simple act of kindness truly touched my
Smile,
heart.
please, everyone.
Hunger led us to lunch, a comforting bowl of broccoli mushroom almond soup, followed by a creamy prawn and avocado risotto. Simple, nourishing, and perfect for the day. Our journey ends here, but the calm we found lingers on. Until the next escape, may every trail you walk feel velvet and serene.